Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will help you draw a Subaru BRZ. We'll start by laying down the fundamental structure. Begin with a simple rectangular shape to define the car's overall footprint. Then, lightly mark out the wheelbase and the total length. Next, sketch the main cabin area and the hood, paying close attention to their relative sizes. Now, let's bring out the BRZ's unique shape. Carefully outline the distinctive body lines that run along the sides of the car. Next, draw the prominent wheel arches for all four wheels, ensuring they are evenly spaced. Finally, add the roofline and the angles of the windshield and rear window. With the main form established, it's time for the finer details. Carefully sketch the headlights and taillights, capturing their unique contours. Then, draw the front grille and the lower air intakes, giving the car its characteristic face. Don't forget to add the side mirrors and the subtle door handles. For our final steps, let's complete the wheels and add some depth. Draw the wheels and tires, paying attention to the rim details and tire thickness. Apply basic shading to create a sense of three-dimensionality and form. Finally, refine all your lines and carefully erase any remaining construction marks to present your finished Subaru BRZ.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.